How to fix Snapchat common problems easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on Snapchat, now this is the app informations page. All what you want to do is click on this first stop here and then go to the notifications. Make sure to enable all the notifications. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then all what you want to do next is go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.